Mind the tree, she's slipping sideways. Oh, nicely done.
Shy, is she?
Obviously not.
I tell you what, I want her on my side in the fight.
Well, I said to Mike actually, I said, you know, responsibly, really, we should have brought a broom.
Good girl.
Oh yeah, really
girl.
kept it close.
Good girl.
Good, well, nice.
Well done.
Really, like I said, just keep as close to the bloody trees as you can.
Yeah.
I know I'm longer and it's sometimes...
No, you did fine.
Nice.
Yeah, absolutely textbook.
Just Adrian.
Yeah, here's Adrian. Here he comes. His truck will be cleaner when he comes out.
Yeah, that's something. All them leaves in the back will be wet though. It'll weigh 3 tons more. That's better, Adrian. It's a lot cleaner.